This video, we'll be discussing the definition of a resource. A resource is a broad concept used across various sectors. So what we'll do is define the broad definition and then narrow it down onto why it's important for us in the energy industry. So the definition of a resource is any particular matter or energy that we as humans deem as useful because we're able to perform a useful task with it. So some examples could be fuels, like fossil fuels, the sun, water, elements that we find on Earth, and even calculators. Because, let's face it, it makes math easier. However, things like calculators may not actually be considered a resource in all sectors like economics and business. They may actually call this a product because it's made by humans. However, that's not the distinction that we're going to make or delve into because we in the energy industry are not concerned with that. We're concerned with natural resources. So these natural resources are anything that occur naturally on Earth and didn't need any human effort to make. So all of these are natural resources. So if a resource is just energy or matter that's deemed useful because it's able to meet a certain need or desire, it's not actually quantifying anything. So it's an abstract notion that just categorizes energy and matter that's important to us because we can perform certain tasks with it. Therefore, you may be wondering, what is the notion or concept that quantifies this resource? So the concept that quantifies the amount of natural resources we have ready to use is called a stock. It's important we're talking about stocks in terms of the energy industry, because not all industries, like economics and business, will define it exactly the same way. So if you were someone in charge running a coal-fired power plant, you're probably providing an energy service to millions or billions of people. So you probably want to make sure you have coal that's mined and ready to use on hand. Usually, coal-fired power plants will keep 1 to 3 months worth of coal that's mined and underwent the necessary process to be used in a power plant. However, it's important to note that not all natural resources have stocks. Therefore, we will discuss this idea about stocks and natural resources more in depth in the next video.